This video will show you the basics of how an instructor navigates around a Moodle course site. The Moodle course site is comprised of the title area, the left sidebar, the right sidebar, and the center area, which is where your students will find the materials and activities that you provide for them. The center area is divided into sections, typically labeled by week, but those section labels can also be topic names. The left sidebar contains a link to the Participants page, which displays a list of the current members of your course, as well as methods for adding, removing, and changing the roles of members. The left sidebar also serves as a sort of table of contents, letting you quickly jump to sections that are further down the page. You can hide the left sidebar by clicking on the so-called hamburger icon, creating more space for the main content area. The right sidebar contains several specialized functions. Notable among them is the Quick Mail function, which gives you a way to send email messages to students of this course. Clicking on the gear icon in the upper right will drop down a menu containing some important links. Clicking on Edit Settings will bring you to a page where you can configure some overall settings for your site. Clicking on Turn Editing On will toggle on the editing mode, in which you can add, remove, or make changes to materials and activities in the main section. Notice that when I turn editing on, an edit link appears across from each of these items, and at the bottom of each section there's a link that says add an activity or resource. Clicking on one of these links is the first step toward adding an activity, like an assignment, a discussion forum, or a quiz, or a resource such as a file or a website URL.